All right, guys, I'm going to do a little review of the DEEPLEE PLA. This is the 1.75 millimeter PLA filament that you're going to be using for your 3D printers. And just to give you an idea of it, this is something that I've already used the PLA for. This is my second spool right here. Printed out this nice Game Boy cartridge holder here. We're going to open it up and I'll show you how it works. All right, so here we got the filament. It comes in this nice vacuum sealed package, which is going to help with humidity control. And I've had no problems with this whatsoever. No problems with the prints. This thing is $10 for 1 kilogram. It's an incredibly good deal. This is like the cheapest filament I could find, and I had no problems printing anything with it. Really have nothing but good things to say about this. Like I said, this is my second roll of it. I did the first one just to see how it was, and with no problems at all, I said, all right, good to go. Let's go ahead and keep on using this stuff, because at $10 a kilogram, I mean, it's hard to pass that kind of a deal up. You can print a lot of stuff with all of this filament. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Go out there and get yourself some of this.